Hello, my name is Brian Wink. I'm the Education Supervisor here in Lincoln Tech in Denver. I just wanted to tell everybody how excited we are about our partnership with Hunter Equipment. As you can see behind me is our brand new alignment racks, tire machines, ADAS units. These are fully updated and ready to go. This is the exact equipment you'll be using out in the field. You will be learning right here in our school. So let's take a walk around and look at the equipment. All right, here we are in front of the ADAS units from Hunter. This is the newest and latest and greatest ADAS unit on the market right now. This is brand spanking new. This unit is the #1 unit built. This was the prototype. This is the latest and greatest piece of equipment out there. And here we are at another ADAS unit. This ADAS unit is a little different than the other one. This ADAS unit is more what you will see in most of the dealerships, but again, this is a brand new unit, just came in. You'll be seeing that in years to come for sure. This wheel balancer is called the Smart Balancer. This one will match your balance between your wheel and tire. It's amazing what this will do, especially with the EV vehicles that are out nowadays. They're insisting that they have an extremely balanced tire. This is the type of machine you will be using out in the field. Here is a brand new tire machine by Hunter. This tire machine, what's different about this tire machine the most, this is almost an autonomous machine. We just got it, as you can see, it's still wrapped. As soon as we unwrap it, I'll show you how it works. These are the machines you'll be seeing. These are the machines of the future. This is what you will see in your higher end dealerships, higher end tire stores. This machine does not touch the rim at all, and it does it all by itself. Now here we are in the heavy duty shop, and I just want to show you one more thing that I'm extremely excited about here in Denver, is our new heavy duty rack and alignment machine. With this machine, we can actually align semis. Again, this is something that you will not see in every shop in town. You'll see it in the higher end dealerships and that type of work that's being done. This again came with our Hunter partnership that we're very excited about.